After more than 1,000 Martian days, NASA's Perseverance Rover continues its mission, now exploring what was once a river system billions of years old. This landscape tells a vivid story of the forces that shaped it long ago. Let's take a closer look at where the rover is and where it's headed next. Perseverance is currently studying Jezero Crater, a site that once hosted both a lake and a flowing river. If microscopic life ever thrived here, traces of it might still be locked within these ancient rocks. Roughly 3.5 billion years ago, a river broke through the rim of Jezero Crater, carving a channel and filling the basin with water. Over time, it carried sediments, sand, gravel, and stones, that built up into a river delta. On Earth, evidence of such ancient waterways would have vanished through erosion and tectonic change. But Mars preserves this history almost perfectly, giving us a rare window into the early solar system. In this region, each rock layer records a different chapter of Jezero's past. The light-colored, flat rocks were formed by slower-moving water along the riverbanks, while the large boulders in the distance were left behind by powerful floods that came later. That odd-shaped outcrop you see nearby also caught the science team's attention. It doesn't resemble sedimentary rock at all. Perhaps it's the remnant of an ancient lava flow that has since eroded. If samples from this rock could be returned to Earth, lab instruments could determine when it formed, helping scientists learn when and how long water flowed into Jezero. From this point, Perseverance will move farther westward. In the distance, you can spot the raised ridges marking the natural levees that once lined both sides of the river. The rover will travel along this path, following the ancient channel toward a gap in the crater wall carved by the river itself, a Martian canyon visible on the horizon. Beginning that climb would signal a new phase of the mission, exploring rocks far older than those in Jezero, created through completely different processes. One exciting target is a band of light-toned rocks halfway up the rim, which may have interacted with hot water in a hydrothermal environment, another potential setting where life might once have existed. Since finishing its study of the crater floor, Perseverance has been ascending the delta, piece by piece, revealing the environmental history of this once watery world. Nearly 3 years into its exploration, the rover has already made remarkable progress, but there's still much more waiting to be uncovered on Mars.